Welcome back to the channel where we help you navigate the wild world of shopping. Today, we're diving into a battle of the titans in the mirrorless camera arena. It's the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 versus the Sony Alpha 6700. Let's kick things off with the price because, let's face it, that's the first thing we look at. The ZV-E10 is like your favorite local diner, affordable and satisfying at just $799. Meanwhile, the 6700 is more like a Michelin star restaurant, where you'll spend $1,399. But hey, at least the view is nice. Now, let's talk sensors. The ZV-E10 sports a 24.2 megapixels APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor, while the 6700 has a beefier 26.0 megapixels APS-C XMOR R back-illuminated CMOS sensor. Reviewers of the ZV-E10 appreciate its decent image quality for the price, while the 6700 is praised for its superior quality that rivals professional setups like the F.X30. It's like the ZV-E10 is the cool kid in school, and the 6700 is the overachiever with a trophy case full of awards. Next up, processing power. The ZV-E10 uses the BIONZX processor, fast enough to keep up with your coffee-fueled creativity. Reviewers highlight the ZV-E10's ease of use, while the 6700 comes equipped with the BIONZXR processor, which is noted for its advanced capabilities but may require a learning curve. The ZV-E10 is user-friendly, making it great for beginners, whereas the 6700 caters to those looking for professional-grade performance. When it comes to video capabilities, the ZV-E10 shines, with 4K movies oversampled from 6K. Reviewers love its sharp 4K video and ease of editing. On the other hand, the 6700 takes it up a notch with 4K, 60p, and even 4K at 120p, which is highly praised for videography. If you're filming the next blockbuster, you might want the 6700, unless you're filming a documentary about how to save money. Let's get special. The ZV-E10 has a product showcase setting that's perfect for YouTubers, and reviewers rave about its windscreen for the microphone. Meanwhile, the 6700 boasts a dedicated AI processor for real-time subject tracking, though some users have mentioned it's not suitable for beginners due to its complexity. The ZV-E10's features are designed for ease, while the 6700 is more advanced. Overall, the ZV-E10 is praised for its versatility and value for vloggers and content creators, while the 6700 receives high marks for its professional quality, but may be challenging for beginners. Both cameras have their strengths, catering to different audiences. So which camera is right for you? If you're a budding content creator looking for something affordable and user-friendly, the ZV-E10 is your best buddy. But if you're a serious filmmaker with a budget that looks like it could buy a small island, then the 6700 is your go-to. Remember, it's not just about the gear, it's about how you use it. Which camera would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buys. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.